Hello, this is Naviforce watch unboxing review. Today I'm going to bring you its main watch. Let's have a look now. When we got the parcels, we can see here is the measurement. And then it's a guarantee card. And inside, let's have more details. This model is NF8018. We can find the number in the back case. Here we can see the number NF8018. Okay, this is a chronograph watch. Here in the dial we can see there are 3 small windows. In the 12 o'clock position, it is the 1/10 chronograph, and in the 6 o'clock position is the 2nd chronograph window, and in the 9 o'clock window is the mini chronograph windows. And also we can see in the 4 o'clock position it is the calendar windows. Now we can see in the 12 and 6 o'clock, these 2 windows, it is made into a design of the hourglass shape. And also the parcel is very fashion colors of the blue and combined with the rose gold. We can see here in this side we can see 3 buttons. This button is control the chronograph. Push it and it works, and push again it starts. And this button on the right side, we push it, so it will reset the chronograph. And this button in the middle, it is control the time setting and the calendar setting. Okay, let's have a foot review for this watch. And this is the genuine leather. It's also a very nice colors combined with the yellow color and stitching. And this is the pink barcode. It's a solid steel barcode. You can see our brand is on the barcode here. Let's put it in my wrist. It's a very beautiful watch. Okay, this watch we got 5 colors. Later I will show you the foot 5 colors. Okay, 5 color is here. The blue one I just introduced for you. Now I will show you the last 4 color. This is a brown color. Also with the genuine leather. It's very soft and sweat resistance. And also the leather is we have a combined color with the yellow color and the very nice stitching. Okay, the next color. Next color is a silver combined the black color. The dial is black and the brand is silver. You can open this strap. It's a very nice quality steel band. And also we can find the button number, the watch number here in the back case. Okay, the next color. This is a rose gold color combined the black color. The dial we can see the 3 windows will make it with the rose gold color combined the silver color, and also the case is the rose gold. And the band is the solid black. Very nice quality brand. This is for protect the brand when you receive it. Also a very nice color. Okay, now let's have a try this watch on my wrist. Open the barcode here. And now this is the watch on my wrist. Do you like it? It's a very fashion color combination. Okay, let's have a next color. The last color is the silver combined black one. The small windows in the dial is all silver, and the dial and the buzzer and also the strap are all the black color, and also the crown here. Okay, this is all for today. Which one do you like the best?